The Frigidaire mini fridge that I got. I'll actually be in like a rehab center because I just got out of the hospital for 3 weeks, and I needed something to keep my insulin and stuff cold. The problem is it's not huge. I'm sure it could hold as many cans as it says if you put them all on their side. It has a small tray right there. It's not removable. And another one right there, just enough to hold my insulin bottle with the box. 2 cranberry juices can fit under there, and they're not a large size. We have a small bottled water right here, and then I have some butter, which I keep for my meals. I mean, it's a good size, but if I had known it was so small, I probably would have ordered something else, because it holds the exact same amount of sodas or cans or drinks that my other that fridge that gave out held, and that one was only supposed to hold 15. So I hope this helps. I mean, it's a nice little microwave. I've seen some reviews saying that it's really noisy. I don't hear it at all when I'm sleeping, and I'm really sensitive to noises. So, hope this helps. Bye.
I should have pulled the trigger and purchased this thing years ago. It has been phenomenal. I love it. I initially got it to help with my cancer treatment journey because I needed a place to put like my cold caps next to my nightstand as well as my ginger ale. And then it worked so well that I started bringing it with me to like my hospital stays and ER visits so I could have my own personal fridge with me. Worked great for that. I've used it in the car as well when I'm traveling to and from cancer treatment because it's hours away, blah, blah, blah. It's worked phenomenal for all those little things. The one small little thing that I would change about it, if I could, would be the spacing of the drawers in here. So let me show you. You can put a shelf here, and you can put a shelf here. But what I wish they had was a spot to put a shelf right here, so I could double stack my cans of ginger ale in here. But really, like, that's my only problem. Like, other than that, it keeps stuff cold. I could keep milk in here if I wanted to, or yogurt, no issues with it. Any issues I have are common sense, like just don't leave the door open and make sure you shut it all the way. Other than that, 5 stars all the way.
Super small. Said it holds 15 cans of 12-ounce sodas. It does not. Only 8. And then I got 3 extra cans of smaller sodas in there. So it's a lot smaller than what they advertised. Not happy. And in the back, this connection is always coming unplugged. Always. Frustrated.
No enfría, se ha parado de repente, ya no enfría nada. Ha pasado justo la garantía y ya se ha estropeado. Una basura. No funciona. Ha dejado encendido. El piloto ya no funciona. El ventilador funciona perfectamente, pero no enfría.
gadgets are you looking for? How much is your voucher for?
There's no cold air coming through. The product is not cool at all. So the cooling functionality is not working at all.